What's up, you guys? If any of you haven't seen my PS3 unboxing, yeah, here's the link. It's on the bottom. But at the end of that, I said I was gonna unbox my Heavy Rain video. So I mean, not video game. So that's what I'm gonna do. Picked up my PS3 today, and from Fry's Electronics, they gave me an extra $50 gift card. So I got Heavy Rain and um, Metal Gear Solid 4, both brand new and greatest hits. So yeah. But I'm gonna unbox Heavy Rain, and then the other video is gonna be I'm gonna box Metal Gear Solid 4. So an origami piece, Heavy Rain guide, and then the disc. Alright, thanks for watching this. Don't forget to tune in for my other game unboxing, Metal Gear Solid 4. Alright, see you guys. Bye.